Now if you look to activity G has two predecessors, B and C. Okay, that means we have two early finishing, like you can say 8 and 3, but we're gonna have to take the activity, or you can say the early finish, with more weeks or with more duration. And as you can see, 8 is more than 3, so we're gonna have that over there is the early start of the activity G. Okay, so I'm gonna have that over there. Now 8 plus 2, that is actually 10. And why are we taking the maximum duration? Because G is starting once B and C are completed. Now C is completing after 3 days actually, but B is completing after 8 days. If you start the activity G after 3 days, that's not gonna happen because B is still remaining. So once B is completed, then you can start activity G, because once B is completed, the activity C is already been completed, because activity C having 3 days or weeks may be no problem, but activity B is gonna take you 8 weeks. Okay, so the maximum should be taken. However, in the backward pass, we gonna have to take the less video, is the, you can say, the late start maybe. Okay, we're gonna do that little bit late. Okay, now let's gonna have this 3 over there to the early start of the activity D actually, and the same thing to the activity E. Now add the duration.